Hey there, folks. This is Joe Crawford of artlang.com. Every day, pretty much, I go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target. Let's do today's. Oh, we got some curves. Curves. Oh, yeah. That's great. All right. What do we make of this? Let's go all paragraphs. So here are the parts. The first thing I want to do is do this as a do a conic gradient on the background. Actually, yeah. So conic gradient. So this is not a surprise to those of you who I definitely highlight the fact that I am a big fan of conic gradients. And then here, let's start this conic gradient, and that is a conic gradient. Oh, and look at that. We've got kind of an interesting thing going on there. So it's not actually not actually at the halfway point. So we need an at value at 50%. So it's 300 tall. So it's probably 160 pixels. Let's try that. Comma. Oh no, or lower on 140. 140. Great. So now here I'm going to make an element and I'm going to push it down with margin 100. 100. Okay, 100, 20, 30, 140. And then on the sides, 100, 110, 112. And then the height is what, 80? So here's what I'm making. I'm trying to make a minimum element with a nice rounding border radius of what? The border radius is 40 pixels. Boom. And then when I give this a background of a linear gradient that is not coming in at 90 degrees, so from the side, transparent. No, not transparent first. It's the green, 50%, and then transparent. And that's how I get that piece. Now, what's the second one? The second one, so this selector for that is P plus P. I'm going to do background of red so I can see it. We don't see it yet because we have this bottom border that's no good for us. No good at all. How about -100 there? 20, 30, 40. There it is. So that's kind of interesting, right? That's kind of interesting. In this case, the background needs to be blue, but it also needs to be taller, I think, and have a different border radius. I think that's right. So in this case, the height, 100, we do 100, and then change the border radius to something more than 40. How about 60 pixels? Let's see if that, how about 70? I don't know if I'm going in the right direction. How about 80? Oh, probably I need to make it taller. 110, 20. There it is. 130. Oh, no, 120. Oh, interesting. That curve is certainly interesting, isn't it? That curve. So now I'm going to set the actual color that I want, which is blue. This blue, or what, 2B2E81. So I got a little sliver that's no good. So if I make it taller, I also am twisting that border radius. So 60 in this case, and 150 does it. 140 is the same. 120, 130, 140. 140 seems to be the number. submit, and let's see if we got it. Each one of these shapes could be done different ways, and all this could be gradients. And now that I've got this, so that's what I made there. Do I still like this technique? I could use some box shadows or other techniques as well. So many ways to do. Again, folks commenting and saying, yeah, you could have done box shadows. You could have done instead. I like it. You guys leave great comments and little code solutions. That's fine. Uh, Always be thinking, just because I do a solution doesn't mean I think it's the best solution or even the top solution or even the only solution. There are so many great things to be able to do with CSS. I'm a big fan of it. This is why I do this stuff. Why I really love it. I love CSS. Really fun to work with. And that's it. I got to 100%, so I'm going to minify and I'm going to set the unit replace. And for other changes I can make here. There's other optimizations that can be made. Can I make that border radius 60? Yes, I can. Without the PX, can I do that here as well? Oh no, I can't. No, I can't. I have to include the pixels. You could change units. There's so many optimizations. So wonderful. Okay, submit for a final answer. And 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 that's it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Happy Valentine's Day. Even though this is February 15th is what the statement I'm doing on the 14th. I got to go out. Hope you're taking care of yourself, take care of each other. Uh, Go out with your sweetie, buy some flowers for that person you care about, whatever that is. And I'll see you around. Bye.